Should you start taking a collagen supplement? Are you over the age of 35? If so, the answer might be yes. Starting around age 35, your body actually starts to produce less collagen. By age 60, your body's natural collagen production has dropped by nearly 50%. What's that mean? It means by 60, you're gonna have fine lines, wrinkles, digestive issues, maybe even achy joints. All of these things can be combated by taking a collagen supplement. Remember that not all collagen supplements are actually created equal. There are 5 main types of collagen out of the 28 different types of collagen out there that actually support longevity and help go beyond just tackling fine lines and wrinkles. Types 1, 2, 3, 5, and 10 have all been proven to support longevity. That means that it goes beyond fine lines and wrinkles and actually supports skin moisture, elasticity, joint health, bone health. Taking a collagen supplement that contains all 5 types of those collagens that I just listed is clinically proven to help you feel better and feel more healthy as you age. To learn more about adding in a collagen supplement and to learn more about specifically the collagen supplement that is going to support your longevity and learn more about the research behind it, go ahead and check out the link below.